Hello there guys and gals, good midnight to each every one of you. As you can see, there's a food here in the middle of the street. Some kind of strange. I've been seeing snails or any other creatures, but by this time, there's a food in here. They didn't think for the value of their money. Who's this somebody who just put this burger steak at the middle of the street? Instead of throwing it properly or look for a cat or a dog, this one, gosh, this is God's grace, guys and gals. Why is it that they wasting their money for this valuable food? Don't do this, guys, okay?